Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Leads. First impression are the initial opinions that people form the first time they meet another person. Such judgments occur very quickly and are based on the immediate limited information that is available. Did you hear that? Okay. The first impressions people form are often based on immediate observations about characteristics such as how others look, how they act, and what they say, and their general attitude. However, people also bring their own past experiences, expectations, bases, and etc. like it to the situation when forming impressions. Okay? While first impressions play an important role in how people feel about others, how they treat them, and the future development of the relationship, such perceptions can be based and inaccurate. How to make a good first impressions. Making a good first impression is important, particularly in certain situations. If you are trying to make a good impression on other people, there are some strategies that can help. Okay, so number first, be aware of your body language. Did you hear that non-verbal signals can convey a great deal of information. So it is important to make sure that your body language reinforces the impression you are trying to make. Maintain an open posture and make sure you keep your body angled toward the other person. Sit or stand straight and keep your arms at your sides and your legs straight. Okay? Crossing your arms or legs can seem closed up and even defensive. For it, you have second option, watch your expressions. In addition to using good body language, be sure to watch how you are responding with your facial expressions. Smiling, for example, can help convey warmth and genuine interest. If you are feeling tense, such as during a job interview or while speaking in public, try to maintain a relaxed expression. Researchers have found that people perceive people with happy expression as more trustworthy. Did you hear that? For it, you have also the third one option, that dress appropriately. Appearance, including how you dress, can help convey information about who you are to others. Okay? Did you hear that? If you are dressed correctly for the occasion, it may help people form a good impression of you. This doesn't mean that you can't express yourself through your appearances, but it is important to consider how you want to be perceived. Did you hear that? Choose clothing that looks neat and suited to the occasion and helps you feel comfortable and confident when meeting new people. Number fourth one, consider your words. When speaking to others, focus on using language that is polite, respectful, and non-judgmental. Okay? While there are certain opinions or subjects you might feel comfortable discussing with people who already know you well. Okay? It is the best to try to be considerate of other people's feeling and backgrounds when you are first introduced. Knowing how to make small talk can be helpful. Neutral topics such as the weather, hobbies, sports, travel, and food can be great icebreakers. Just be sure that to avoid critical or controversial opinions such as a trash talking the other person's favorite sports, etc. Did you hear that? Instead, try asking open-ended questions about the other person, such as what they are reading or what they enjoy doing in their free time. It can be a great way to convey genuine interest and help the other person form the impression that you are attentive and genuine. Okay? And the last one, show interest in others. When you are speaking to someone new, practice active listening, be genuinely, okay, interested in what they have to say and make sure that you are listening to their responses. Okay. Focus on other person is also a great strategy if you are feeling anxious about meeting new people. By concentrating on the other person, you are less likely to focus on your own nervous. If you are nervous on a first date, for example, focus on the other person, express interest in what they have to say, and ask questions in a way that feels natural, like an interrogation or job interview. That's enough. Thank you very much.